Hello everybody, I'm assuming you already know what BlueStacks is and what it's used for, because in this video I'm going to tell you how to change the background. So what you need to do is go to the System Apps folder and click on Media Manager. Once inside the Media Manager, you're gonna need to go to the Import from Windows option. So go ahead and click that. Now browse to where your wallpapers are stored, and I'm just gonna open all of them. Click open. So as you can see, all the wallpapers have been imported. Now go to gallery, and in the media manager you're not gonna find an option to set these pictures as a wallpaper. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back home and click the settings. Now you're gonna go to storage and go ahead and tap on photos and videos. Now tap images and click on the album. Now from here you can set any wallpaper you like. Just click on a picture and click on the three dots and simply click set picture as wallpaper. Now one thing to note here is that BlueStacks only allows you to set the upper half of the crop area as the wallpaper. I don't know why that is, but that's just the way it is. It's quite annoying really. So just keep that in mind and just adjust the crop area accordingly. And just click save. And that's it. Just go home and your wallpaper is there. Now if you want, you can adjust the crop area like so. Click save, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and take care.